Hi, my name is Eddie and we're here at the Reactor Space by Microsoft in London for Kiwi.com's hackathon, travel hack, or hack travel as they also call it, for World Tourism Day. Everyone here that you can see are here to make travel smarter, sustainable, and more accessible for everybody. Teams today, they're using a whole variety of technologies, ideas, and not everyone's a coder. The best teams, where the teams are mixed. I think it's really important to have a team with different experiences, different skills, different backgrounds, because you come up with the best ideas. And some of the teams have done even user testing, user experience. Tell us about your project.
Our project is an application that's made to show the best walking path along the brightest streets. So it is an app that's meant to help somebody who feels nervous walking down unlit streets find the brightest path to walk down.
Our project is an end-to-end experience. So basically we try to engage more our clients, travelers. In here we'll be talking about the whole travel experience, starting from inspiration, like the booking part, whenever you are trying to get your tickets. So we provide an API where you can use your voice to connect to the application.
So tell us about Travel Flavor.
Basically, we came up with this idea because two of our team members, me and Mayor, have food restrictions, which makes it difficult for us to travel. I am allergic to dairy and I have a gluten intolerance, and Mayor's vegetarian. So when we travel, we find it difficult to sometimes find food that meets criteria. So there are different sites that have criteria that you can set for certain eating limitations, but there isn't a really good site that you can have multiple limitations and put them together.
Dot Flack, what's your project about?
Yes, we're focused on accessibility in travel. We're focused on sharing experiences with the visually impaired. There's about 30 million people in Europe that are visually impaired, and we want to share the same experience of an evening in London or a daytime in Dubai. And what we do is we translate the video and the image into audio so they can experience it through music and sound.
Linked.local, what's the project about?
Actually, this is a platform that we use to enrich the travel experience for professional travelers and for the tourists. During travel, they will get connected with people, not only to stay one night in a hotel, but also gain access to a culture.
So what's the project about?
Our project is to help the keen, sustainable travellers to create a plan quickly.
Through our eyes. So what's the project about?
So what it is basically a walking audio tour of any city where you can choose the different destinations on the map, and then it will guide you, using a chatbot you choose them, and then it will guide you through the city according to what your interests are. I'm developing the sort of front end of it, so the Google Maps and the audio player.
So what's the team name?
OCA, Obsessive Compulsive Assistant.
What's the project about?
So we have created Lovejoy, and Lovejoy is an assistant to help people travel with mental health issues. So if you've got depression, anxiety, etc., it shall be there for you. Start panicking, you say, "Help me, Lovejoy," or whatever phrase you program into it, and it shall respond to you.
Hello team, what's the team name?
LMT.
LMT. And
For last minute team.
So it's really to get people to consider that carbon footprint and do something about it, so that they've got that choice, that they could actually do a donation of 10%, so if it's 1,000 miles, that might come back £100 or $100 or whatever, that they could choose to make a donation to a charity for that, to plant some trees or offset their carbon footprint for that trip.
you think you'll be ready for, how long we got, like an hour and 20 minutes?
Yes, I'm definitely confident we'll be ready with something.
So this hack travel event started on a Friday night about 7 o'clock, and people got an overview of what the event is about, the goals and the experiences, and then the idea is that Friday night they got together into teams. They all had a common focus around sustainability or smarter travel or accessibility, and I think there's some rogue groups that are doing some other areas which I think is always really interesting. And then Saturday, people have been coding all morning, and it's coming up to the end of the hackathon now. We've got about 30 minutes until teams have to submit their projects and then present their projects to the panel. And around 6 o'clock, we'll see who's won.
So number one, as you might have guessed, is Light Path. more into this breakdown. You actually tied with second place on technical and design score as well. And the thing that brought you up to first place is that you had by far the highest idea score. It really seemed like this was an idea that real people were complaining about, and you actually solved the problem for them. So, good job.
This is your first hackathon. How was it?
It was amazing. I couldn't have asked for a better team. These guys were fantastic, and the organizers were really nice. I had a fantastic time.
That was one of the best events I have ever attended.
Amazing. Yeah, it was really great. I'm quite tired, to be honest, but it was amazing.
How was your weekend?
Yeah, it was alright.
Just alright. Come on, give a bit more energy than that.
I was gonna make my extension work with the Kiwi site as well, but it proved a bit tricky.
It was great. I didn't sleep.
Didn't sleep?
No, not really.
Didn't sleep much either, but good.
Very tough, but good.
Just starting.
Yeah, it's good. It's quite fun. Yeah, I do enjoy it, yeah.
Yeah. How was your weekend?
Fabulous, great time. Thank you very much.
It was good. It was good. You know, it was fun. I do this all the time, so you know, it was good.
It was good.
Yes, it was great. Thank you.
It was good, fun, tiring. We just talk about how tired we are.
Yeah, good weekend. Absolutely, love the food, love all these geezers as well. You know what I mean? Love seeing them every weekend.
Wonderful, wonderful.
How was yours? Was good?
Red, yeah.
Best, that's the best ever.
Your first hackathon?
Yes, it is.
And it's not your last though, right?
No, I'm gonna come here. If there's one tomorrow, I'll come here tomorrow.
Love it, awesome. I'd like to thank Kiwi.com for inviting Dashboard Hub to the event. We've had a great time, and thank you also to the Microsoft team for hosting us in their house. Amazing location, amazing food. It's been brilliant.